Welcome back to the Vans US Open of Surfing. Kuiper Girl along with Strider Wazalewski, and we are now into our Pro Junior Women's event. Round 1, Heat 1.
What a stage to be on. Are you kidding me? In front of all these fans down on the beach. I'd say there'd be some nerves going into it, but they're here for a reason. They are the best. We'll
take a look at the opening ride for Avery Aydelotte.
Quick hit off the top. Started out and looking for some connections on the inside, keeping the board moving. Nice work, actually. She's going to find herself with a nice little hit to finish. Kind of went over the handlebars there, coming unstuck, and then the surfer in white, Kayla, looking for the connection herself, squares it up, little inside floater, and gets bucked off as well.
Everyone home. Gostaria de agradecer todo mundo em casa que tá vendo, minha família, a Luana, a Levi, a galera de Barra Velha. Obrigado por todo mundo assistindo. Valeu.
On fire. It looks like he's got a really good read here at Huntington Beach. Saw him come through 2 heats today as we go to live action in the red jersey. Macy Callaghan. So Macy, our Australian competitor, and she's won actually qualifying series events on the women's tour. So this young lady is destined to be on the championship tour in my book.
Oh, it's great to have a companion on tour. Here's the replay. Back to that action. Huge, straight up, vertical slam on the outside for Mace. Then she finds the connection, stays over her board, does the Huntington hop, and then finishes strong. So you've seen the other surfers not being able to ride out, but look at this. Slams it home, brings it down, met the lip a little early so that she could get out in front of it. I love it.
Look at you. Macy, wow. That was a beautiful backhand off the top. Can she hang on through that? Unfortunately, not able to ride in front of the whitewater, but it was a savage hook right there.
Yeah, it would have been another solid, good to excellent score if she would have made the connection. Look at this backhand attack, slams it straight up into the lip. She's got a game plan, obviously, sticking to that backhand and getting that closeout re-entry. If she would have been able to ride out of it and find the reform and actually do some more damage on the inside, she would have put up another big nut in the water. We got some live action here.
Nice swooping cut back there for Avery. And she's gonna try to tap dance her way onto the inside and load up for a closing maneuver. Gets a snap there and rides out complete. Looks to the beach for some indication, maybe from her support.
We all know what that means. Having to shoot the pier. Here's a replay right here. Coming off the bottom, a nice little open face hook. Back into the power pocket. She's gonna keep the board moving, try and find that inside connection, which she does. And I think comes around with a little hook of her own and then a little claim right there to the lookout on the beach. I like it. And it's great to see that these athletes all get to rub elbows with the juniors, you know.
There we go. Up and riding. This is Malia Faramarzi out of Encinitas, California, and that wave just died underneath her feet. Let's take another look at Malia's ride.
Malia coming around the corner, really not finding exactly the wave she wanted. I think she needs to make that connection. She needs that face. A little frustration on the kick out there, but she'll get back out there, get reset, and find some more waves. Flares up. Obviously, big wave Pete's got that game, too.
Here we go. Kayla looking down the line. A couple like nice little snaps there, so keeping some form and tempo. Gonna have to hop through this flat section, and does she have it? And unfortunately not, as the lower tide kind of playing victim to that connection and that inside shore break that we saw earlier today.
Comes to making up some extra points. Backhand attack, a little open face cutback, another little slice. And then she'll try and find the power pocket and keep it going, but unfortunately, just not enough stomp on that front foot.
Yeah, and Malia needing 5.80. Here's our heat leader in Macy Callaghan. And this is just going to really ensure her win because she's holding a 1.4 in her scoreline. Probably did a little bit better than that, so she's going to extend her lead.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Not the wave she's looking for, though. I think she's, you know, the first wave she got, we got to really see her execute the type of surfing that she's capable of. Ladies have it. These young women coming in from all over the world. This next heat will be fun to watch.